The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Landers Premier Flooring. We are talking about what's new today, what's cutting edge when it comes to design in flooring with Stephanie Landers, the owner of Landers Premier Flooring. And the first question I want to ask Stephanie is, why are you guys the experts in flooring?
Well, Rosie, we've been here about a little over 20 years now. We're a local-based Austin family-owned company. We have a great staff who's got an average, are experts in their industry. They've got an average of over 10 years experience in the flooring industry. And we've got this beautiful showroom with over 6,000 square feet of carefully vetted products for you to choose from for your home.
So many sights to see. Let's talk about some of the things that you're seeing, though, that are changing, especially when it comes to flooring. Let's maybe start with wood.
Yeah, well, we can start with wood, and we can talk overall about the changes we're seeing in coloration. And we're really going from these blue grays to more of a grayish and working toward the mid-tones, and we're really getting away from that blue-gray color, and everything's shifting a little bit more natural.
All right, talk to us about some of the other color trends you're seeing.
Sure.
And not only that, but plank size is changing a little bit.
Definitely. So we're still seeing a wider plank with 5-inch being the minimum, but we're seeing all the way up to 12 inches. With 8 inches being kind of the mid-range that we're seeing, and that's kind of where things are. And then colors, we're seeing these beautiful, rich caramel colors that you can see, you know, in the flooring, and that's something new that's changing in the design world overall, too.
And then you told me pattern is something we're starting to see.
Pattern is awesome. It's just awesome. We're doing a lot of herringbones, chevron patterns, and custom design patterns, and it really gives a visual interest to it and adds a custom look to the house. You can do your entryway in that, and then you just put the regular planks on the rest of the wood throughout the house, so it really is a nice custom look for your home.
Let's talk about carpet for a minute if we can. You said the term to me, slow living.
Right. There's this whole slow living trend going on right now, and it's enveloping the design world too, where things are just being very calm, and so we're seeing the calming colors in the carpet, and we're seeing a lot of texture, a lot of layering, people putting rugs on top of wall-to-wall carpet, just getting that texture in their home and those nice, warm, back to nature kind of colors that soothe the mind. One of our favorites is cork. I mean, cork, long-standing, gives great durability, gives great cushioning underfoot, and it's so durable I even have cork shoes on. so yes, we just love our cork flooring, and so do our customers.
If someone's watching and they're thinking, okay, it's time, I need to address the floors in my house, how can they get in touch with you?
Well, very easily. They can just stop in our showroom. We're conveniently located by the Domain in North Austin on Burnett Road. Come on in, we'll show you everything, we'll talk about your project.
Yeah, you're known for lots, including being on the cutting edge of flooring. Really cool stuff, Stephanie. Thank you.
Thank you, Rosie. Appreciate it.
Visit the showroom in person or call to schedule a free consultation appointment at the number on your screen. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Landers Premier Flooring.